Abusuancha me pacho se na eye wo se Abusuapanin Tupac yakosie Lumba wi enti maami akosia se wa monso size so very celebration of life enti bi asem no kwa akoda me pacho ewi because Vim lady etimi eden nsem bia betudwa wo chese se abusuafo ne hwe ho a ombetimi emi Tupac. Now according to Vim lady chem say there is a law I find the PNDC law 114 Sambra no e define abusuapanin ni tumi ba bi ekoduru ene the responsibility say wo mremu a se family no etimi nya lawyer we good na odi wo manim e de konom ko ti sa amra we mu chiechemu wi eyi e convince court dia then abusuapanin Tupac ombetimi emia no emi obebi sa se sa amra no kra no etesei abusua yenko yentie Vim lady the chiechemu of the PNDC law 114 and how it can be applied in this case of Daddy Lumba, especially at this time you see if you pesi ekotu eye na Tupac ye no abusuafo no bi so omani nye ho omobonyo so eye na ko say Tupac gugu akonta mo ne ade abusua ye say e ho mra e ho na Vim lady e cheche mra na se abusua yenti Vim lady
President Rollins kono jae law bi e abusuapanin law a utumi de twi abusuapanin aso utumi de ne kogina court kra ma abusuapanin aso ye be ye hye no na me se we ne Daddy Lumba abusuafo no mat dwene enko ho we ye PNDC law 114 we ye abusuapanin a we ye caretaker keke we ye hweso mame untumi nje abusua japade bia emmoso including dead body because Supreme Court cases bebre a o ma ye no eye authority e da ho e kire se obi wu abody na ye abusuamu no edea abusuan kase anya na ire ne mawo abusuan kase no nipa ne frimu no omo na body ne ye omo dia nti se ye abusuan ne japade de na wo abusuan pani a wo na wo hwe so am ye sie funu no am ye wanye ye ni ye wa mo ye no ho konta se ka press mpo na bedi wo even dead body no kra wo hwe ma ne se ya wo abusuan pani etumi de kokot and I'm say that Lumba abusuan for no come as omadwene maso na omudi kotu no ka law we need the first step and ka wo so omukohwe na wo hwe a sal PNDC law 114 in fact yan start was section 3 the can under this emla we can dey abusuan ne ejapade a the family property includes any property whether movable or immovable abusuan ejapade bi ye dan immovable and immovable dan ade aye ntumi move any ade aye movable car ne ade dead body so movable enti aha no that Lumba body no e kan abusuan ne japade under the law or say which belongs to the members collectively as a particular family or it is held for the benefit of such family and any receipt or proceeds from such family enti body a abusuan no obi wu and body ni abusuan ne dia enti wo abusuapanin oje body no oye body ne dey o de kwhye mochi ni ade ni nyina che say you are holding sa body no any nipa ne niam nyina in trust for the family. Subject to section 2 of this law, a court shall have jurisdiction to make an order. Subject to section 2 of this law, a court shall have jurisdiction to make an order compelling the head of family to render accounts or file an inventory in respect of all such family properties that is in his possession, control, or custody, as the court may specify in this order. Inti abusuan japade bia wo abusuapani ho no court betimi court wo jurisdiction cheso wo tumi se betimi order abusuapani no amwa ba be account in respect of japade bia e wo ne nchen de e wo ne control because e bi won ma ni nchen by in his control. For instance that Lumba dead body no at the time and body no what transitions no na eni abusuapani possession eni ne nsem but e wo abusuapani control because abusuapani na eye ho arrangement okoda ho and it is only under abusuapani authority and on betimi ayi body no nti body no ho bibia nkonta sika sen ne ese wo cemetery sen ne de koye ye ni nyina abusuapani tumi emra ne hye no mra we hye no so obu akonta kire family no na se one seed mpoyira na so be hye law we so can section 2 or say where the head of family fails or refuses still has a real abusuapani to pack pa. Section 2 or say where the head of family fails or refuses to render account or file an inventory of any family property, any member of the family to which such property belongs, who has or who claims to have any beneficial interest in the property, may apply by motion to a court for an order compelling the head of family to render accounts, file an inventory of the family property to the family concerned. Inti aha se abusuapani na anya account and abusuan no. Inti se na that Lumba abusuan ne che so omo friend wo pakoso wa anko no. Abusuan mu nipa bia or benefit to abusuan che say he belongs to the family no. Ebetimi akokot. This is what I was saying say yen sorry kekentu abusuapani rules and regulations no must apply. enti obetimi akọ court na wama court na compel abusuapani no ye be hye no so amra court mebu akonta kapre ne simpo bia abusuan enanye sikasem keke say o de koto he o sie that Lumba according to nabusua aduana amamre because that Lumba aduana ni enti sie that Lumba according to aduana fo amamre anase wa anye ne sa ni nyina abusuan no right so mubusa no also no such application shall be entertained by the court unless the court is satisfied by the applicant that they've taken steps to settle the matter within the family and that all attempt has failed till enti court in say before cry member of the family no emrane be ma otumi se bra court na fa busuapani ni bra court just say mo sa busuafo no ye de mbe bia se mo kan se mo ofie na anye yi enti mo ya mafre abusuan panifo bia makọ ahemfo anye yi makọ traditional processes ni nyina mu anye ansana baba court enti yan sorry keke na me kan yan ko section 1 no say notwithstanding any law to the contrary any head of family or any person who is in possession of or in control of or has in his custody any family property shall be accountable for the property to the family for which the property belongs. Inti abusuapani bia wo de abusuano wo ye nkranio wo ye anwonanio wo ye asantio wo ye mfantio wo ye tindana nio susala nio gonja nio emrase esese obu akonta or say shall by force you are accountable to the family. So we contact your family. No. Section 1 subsection 2 say every head of family or any person who is in possession of control of or has in his custody any family property shall cause to be taken and file an inventory of all such family property. Inti okra abusuana japade wo nsem se wo ye abusuapani o onya abusuapani o ese wo ye inventory ni je se wo se wo ye krata ebe kire abusua bibia wo hoteku o simpo ni nyina wo se wo kire mu in this case ya that Lumba wu no na japade ni bi wo ho no ma ye de interstate succession law na ebe che because yes wo anye will if it is true it is accurate say wo anye will na say interstate succession law no na che na japade a ebi wo ho no ma ebe ko na abusuafo ho de ebekọ na abusuafo na abusuapani na ebehwe so emra hye abusuapani so ye inventory no kire se bia ye che ne aman ka ba ko na ebedi yensem edan ba ko na ebedi yensem ensure factory na ebedi yensem ensure factory no we say na wom nkonwa say enchansin say we ni nyina abusuapani emra hye so ye inventory and enye just abusuapani keke obi abusuan japade wo ho bia
now the same rano itwa ha ebra vim lady timide eye sansem we tu dwa che niema emra no so betimi dia favor abusuan no vim lady koya etimi a che say in this case abusuan no so obligations bi so mo so etimi fulfill edema abusuapani was ana otimi execute the role as abusuapani because in his case abusuapani bia no ate say caretaker na caretaker no so ma na ka de a wono so betimi ede aye na adwuma enti abusuan no was a wo betimi de mra we awe abusuapani no abusuapani so ewo a bit of sick akra ewo abusuan yiti ento aso.
And the critical thing about this law is say eto de bia ya na niema bebre ba we ukoka na no na ide nkofo shedantie ba we abai people are more interested in say abusuapani kra na adwuma tsen Supreme Court akada that say we abusuapani opposition no it is similar to that of a trustee we hweso mame tie de ade a hye wonsem a wo hwe so ba obi oye trustee bia so mra ne hye say mo a wo hwe ade ne so ma na wo semuntu aneka in the way onwe o ma de so mo abusuapani so betron no so be ka say obedi abusuapani nyina adwuma wa ye omuntu aneka because trustee position no and the law trustee position no bia trustee na wo hwe ajapade so bebo no enye ono trustee ne ka eye abusuan ne ka eni se abusuapani fa ka abankan oboka wo se abusuan tua ofa ka ekokumase pakoso ne ade court ni ade nyina no wo se abusuan tua unless abusuan no can say bia ade bi oyeye court no awokoye no na ye frivolous eno enya ade a nyansa wom wan exercise due care wan fa nyansa ene adwene mu eda ho anya adwuma ti saka no abusuan ka na je so no na akope eno wabo sebi brusem produce an kwase aka but ka related to adwuma all year as trustee dia emremu no se abusuan no sutia ni nyina aka enti case we na make no eko left o eko right o very interesting my nyina because ye mu bebre no ye nim ye abusuan panifo ena ye mfa ne say important position until sa asamo aba. But I was say by law we crama we say you say important in a President Rollins crama law we. But before law we be na nanom so akekere wo mmra to customary laws. A krobia obekom bia say mfantefo nkranfo gonjafo dagbani fo obia wone de. nti yen starting ko yenchi ne enko bisa se kuro be na ofrum owudi anade anawudi ejade nton be na obo na start busa wabusuapani very important. Who is the head of your family?
So we vim lady ebusuote edin sem tuja on the Lumba bruhaha, especially in this critical moment. Ya chese ebusua no aye bebiri ibi pese ekotufunu no pa akoso hene ho nsensem ne will sem chese nsem bibira eba no ebusua eno na vim lady chimse se ebusuafo nani nko ho a otwe omadwen esi ho se there is a law I friend the PNDC law 114 eno no ye specifically for ebusuapanin for sebeya ebusuapanin so ntimi abuse eye ne tumi eno ntini se ebusuafo ne hwe ho a ombetimi de samra wi enso awe Tupac na ne ebe ebru haha patase ebe epinsu eji abekoso de akiri ewo nsem we hu ni ahwese family ni be take that stance on be take that side on be tie de vim lady Ayɛka no anase enema bekoso de atie na Tupac afa ne ho adi in the case of Lumba, especially in the body any yie no ho nsem no de baba bia no e betimi ama update medi ediciki any of first time make us subscribe na meja wase